This is part 2 of Introduction to Watercolor Paints and the color wheel. So next, we are going to do the tertiary colors. And make sure your brush is clean. Check if it is by dabbing it onto a tissue. So we are going to mix primary colors with the secondary colors. So we're going to make yellow-orange. Add a little yellow to your orange, just on one side, because we want to use the other side for the red-orange. So let's apply that immediately. Here we go. There. And now we go to red-orange. We add a little bit of red to our orange. Just a little. And then we put down the paint. There you go. Needs more water and red. There, much better. Now we go to yellow-green. Oh, let's get more yellow. Just a small dot. Oops, I think we need more yellow. There. More yellow. Put it down. There you go. Let's move on now to blue-green. So we add a little bit of blue. There. Let's put... Oh, it's a little bit too dark. And that's okay. If you want it a little lighter, just add water. Remember, in watercolors, it's more advisable to add more water to make it lighter than to add white. Now let's go to red violet. Make sure your brush is clean. We get a little red, mix it to our violet. Okay. I think that's okay. There. At this point, don't worry about your brush strokes, just concentrate on filling the space in as carefully as you can. We will learn brush techniques in our future classes. Now we go to blue violet. Let's get some blue and put it on the same pan on the other side. There. Oh, I think it's a little bit dark too. That's okay. I like the color. Here we go. And there you go. Your primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. You're wondering what the middle part is. So we're going to try to make gray or brown or black. So if you mix all three primary colors together, it will turn out gray or black. If you mix all tertiary colors together, of course it will also turn out black or gray. Okay, let's try. Orange and a little bit of purple. Mix it all together. There's too much blue in here. So the contrasting color of blue is orange. Take a look at your color wheel. The color opposite of blue is orange. So that's its contrasting color. It's a little bit of orange now. Brownish. Let's add a little bit of red. Let's see, one more. It's still green. Let's try adding more yellow. Okay, let's try yellow and purple. That's my favorite combination for gray. Oh, alright. I removed too much purple. Try again. There. It's a little brownish now, but I want it a little on the gray side. Let's add some more. Oops, too red. What's the contrasting color of red? We'll add a little bit of that. We add green. So at first, you may have a hard time mixing colors. That's quite okay if you are really a beginner. So try to have a big mixing palette so that you can practice mixing colors. Let's try to put that. What does it look like? Not the color I want. Hold on, let me mix some more. Okay, let's try this. There. It's gray, but I think I need to add some more. Make it darker. And there you go. There's your color wheel. I hope you will be able to make this before our first class. See you in class. Bye-bye.